two possible outcomes for today. Possibility number one is that everything goes perfectly according to plan, we come home happy, and life is good. Possibility number two involves me losing a lot of money. Needless to say, I am hoping for possibility number one. Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's video. Today is a very special day because not only is the STI getting a new set of Spinny Boys, but it is getting the perfect set of Spinny Boys. For those of you who may not know, Spinny Boys equals wheels. You guys heard me right. Behind me right over here, we have found the perfect set of wheels for my STI. Now, is that a bold statement? Sure, but I'm kind of a bold guy, so it is what it is. Oh, this is a nice sight. We have officially secured the bag, boys. Now you guys can clearly see we got some Work wheels. I absolutely love Work and all their wheels, but inside this box right here, we have got my all-time favorite Work wheels. Are you guys ready for this freaking heat, bro? Are you guys freaking ready for this? 3, 2, 1. We got a cardboard setup, bro. I'm just kidding, guys, but you guys ready for this? You guys ready for this? Oh, man, that was kind of anticlimactic. Oh, come on, it's stuck. What the heck? All right, okay, take number two. You guys ready for this? Oh, we got some Meisties, boys. Let's get this out of here. These things look so sick. I'm like speechless looking at these wheels right now, dude. They look so freaking good. Now, for those of you who don't know what these wheels are, these are the Work Meister L1s. Here are the specs. They're 18 by 10.5, -43. But these things are literally in pristine condition. They're just a little bit dirty. We'll clean them up when we get home after we got the tires mounted on them. But boys, I am so hyped on this. Now, I already know some of you guys might be saying, hey, these aren't the perfect wheels for the STI. There are much better wheels. There's this, there's that, and yes, there is this and there's that. However, there is a reason why I said that these wheels in specific are the perfect wheels to go on my STI, and I'll explain that once we get back from the tire shop. As per usual, your boy is running late. I was supposed to be at the tire shop about 10 minutes ago. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am a little bit nervous about heading to the tire shop with these wheels because your boy here got a little excited and I might have made a mistake. So I ordered tires as soon as I got these wheels, and to be completely honest with you guys, I don't know if they're gonna fit. I just don't know if it's gonna be the exact fitment I want. I'll be the first to admit it. I got a little excited, I jumped the gun, and I might have made a mistake. So basically today could end in a possibility of two different ways. Either I end up spending a ton of money on tires and try to figure out the perfect fitment for these damn wheels, or the tires that I ordered are the perfect fit, and that would make me a happy camper. Will the tires fit exactly how I want to, or am I gonna spend a bunch of money on 4 new tires? I guess we'll just know once we get to the tire shop. Even though I'm extremely nervous whether these wheels and tires are gonna fit or not, we are running super late to the appointment, so let's go ahead, put this hatchback to use, get these wheels loaded up, and then head to the tire shop. Toward possibility number one, where I don't lose out on a bunch of money. The wheels are now mounted on the tires, which is sick. I'm super hyped. Let's go home. I can't wait to get home and show you guys. We have officially made it back to home base from the tire shop, and boys, inside this car right here are probably the nicest wheels I have ever owned. The wheels that are in this car are insane, man. You guys can see that through the glass. Oh man, I'm so hyped. Are you guys ready for this? You guys ready for this? Oh, baby! Yo, we have got the meats! Shout out to Koi Works for the tire hookup. Oh my god, these things look freaking insane, man. You know what? I'm not even gonna waste any time. I'm gonna go ahead, gonna get this car jacked up, and let's go ahead and look at what these tires actually look like on the car. Oh, man. All right. Oh, shit. I think that might be a problem. That might be a problem. What did I do? Bro, what? You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so absurd. She got a big booty, so I call her big booty. Let's go ahead and pull this thing outside because right now I don't like seeing it not in the sunlight. I'm saying that as if like the sunlight is gonna make the tire go in like 3 inches. I don't know if I just caught that on camera right now or not, but I can't believe I just did that. So I drove into my house. I'm trying to laugh at this situation, but it's not a situation that you should be laughing at. But oh man, I hit my house, dog. I was pulling back into the garage and I forgot that my wheel sticks out about 3 freaking feet. And oh man, I just smacked my freshly mounted wheel onto the house and now there's white paint all over this. That's not what's bothering me, but there's like the tiniest little scratch right here. Bro, that's it. That's all. That's the damage. That's definitely really annoying. 110% my fault. I'm not gonna let it ruin the day. Shit happens. I'm an idiot for that and I'll just be careful next time, but it is what it is, guys. But this looks so stupid. Oh my God, that looks so dumb. All right, well, putting it in the sunlight definitely didn't make the tires go in about 3 inches. All right, we had our fun. It's time to break the news to you guys. The car, unfortunately, I know you guys were dying over this Fitment. You guys were just like, damn, look at that Fitment. It's so fresh and so cool. Fortunately, the car isn't actually gonna be staying like this. I know you guys are gonna miss this, but yeah, boys, this is not gonna be staying like this. Don't worry. Don't worry, guys. The car isn't gonna be sitting like this. I actually have something that I never told you guys about. I've kept this a secret for about a month now, but we have got some fender flares going on the STI. So that's why I got some meaty boy Fitment. That's why we've got some freaking mutter truck off-road Fitment. We have got the HT Auto Fendi flares. Now looking at it, you know what? This actually might not cut it. We got the left front flare and oh God. Oh God. That's not enough. That ain't enough. It doesn't even make a difference. Jeez. Amanda just showed up. And I've got some bad news to tell you. Oh no. You ready? Yeah. All right. Well,
what did you do?
I broke the drone.
How?
I flew into the tree and it fell. I mean, all right, so it's not that bad. It's the drone's doing its little dancey dance. Now that you're here, what do you think about the setup? Do you think we should go a little bit meatier?
No.
Now I can kind of explain to you guys why I'm not really stressed out about this. Now, obviously, looking at it right away, it looks kind of absurd. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but if you come really closely here, come here, it's sticking out a little bit. The tire's sticking out of the body just a tad bit. It's really hard to see. You have to come up close to it.
I'm gonna say maybe like a centimeter.
Right now we're on stock suspension. So stock suspension has 0 camber. There's actually something wrong with this suspension right now. So this has positive camber. You can't really see on this side that much. Come on this side. You can kind of see that there's a little bit of positive camber on this side. Suspension on this car is kind of messed up and it doesn't have the best alignment. So once we put in my new air suspension, kind of gave away what I'm doing. Once we throw in the new air suspension, we'll have some camber adjustment. We'll be able to camber this wheel in just a little bit. Now, we're definitely gonna have to camber a little bit more than I originally wanted to. I knew this was gonna be a meaty setup. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. I'm gonna be real honest. Like, I didn't know it was gonna stick out this far. Like, this is absurd, but
yeah, it's a little.
I think I'm gonna have to step down the tires a little bit This is a 275/35, so I think I'm gonna have to step down to a 265 or either a 255. Next time we get new tires, I'm gonna have to step down a little bit. So I mean, these tires will be burned off within the next 2 months, I would say.
Oh my
All 4
god.
tires, yeah. So once we camber in a little bit, we'll go down a small tire size. Even though I love how meaty this looks, we'll go down a small tire size and this will fit. Now coming on to the rear, I really don't like rear camber. The whole thing with this car is I wanted to go drift stance. So with the front, I was gonna camber it in, but then with the rears, I wanted it to be as straight as possible. Unfortunately, that's not gonna be the case. We're definitely gonna have to camber the back in a little bit. I definitely don't want more than 3 degrees of camber in the back. Absolutely nothing more than 3 degrees. What I am thinking right now as a solution is cut this fender flare down the middle and extend the fender flare a little bit. So like if these fender flares stick out 20 millimeters or 25 millimeters, I'm not sure how much they do, extend it by 10 millimeters. Obviously, I don't have the skill set to do that. I'm gonna have to send it out to a shop to do, but I might get these fender flares a little bit extended. I think that would look really cool, and it would also make it look a lot different than any other fender flares that are there on the market, but, oh.
Oh my god. Are you gonna break another thing?
Honestly, I shouldn't even touch it. But oh my god, I'm absolutely in love with how these wheels look. Wait, go back a little bit. Just hold on. You get a straight look. She a little dirty. It's a little dirty right now, but look at that. It's the perfect wheel for this car, and especially for what I'm going for. Good morning, guys. It is the next day, and we got hit with a little snowstorm this morning. This is all from this morning. It's now 1 o'clock. This all started at 6 a.m., so it's pretty crazy. We got a decent amount of snow. We got the STI. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, I almost busted my ass. We got a perfectly running STI right over here. You guys already know what time it is. Tell them what time it is. What are we doing today?
Snow drift time.
Some snow skids. What are you doing with your hair?
I want to be trippy red.
I already got the stock wheels back on over here. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Before we go ahead and get into some trouble outside in the snow, I wanna go ahead and really quickly explain to you guys why these are the perfect wheels, why I went with these wheels, and all that good stuff. With this car, I kind of wanted to go a track setup, but also make it stancy at the same time. We got some 3-piece wheels. We got the nice lips and we got the step lips, so the stance is covered. And then we got an aggressive track looking face. In my opinion, this wheel is like the perfect combination of track and stance. And that is my whole idea with this car. I want it to be a combination of track and stance. I might, however, step down a tire size, just one size, just to have a little bit of a stretch, but you guys can see that there's just the slightest, teeniest bit of curve in the tire. I'm thinking about maybe stepping down to a 265, so that way I have a little bit more of a curve. What do you guys think? Let me know. Should I step down tires or should I just stick with the 275? But like I was saying, this wheel is an aggressive looking wheel. It looks like a track wheel, but at the same time, it also looks like a stance wheel. It's a perfect balance. It's track and it's stance, and that is exactly what I'm trying to go for this car. Of course, however, that is my opinion. What do you guys think about these wheels? Let me know down in the comments. Do you guys like these wheels? Do you guys not like these wheels? Should I have gone with a different set of wheels? I read all your comments. So if you guys show me a wheel that I've never seen before and I actually like it, maybe I'll just get rid of these and go get those. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but time to go snow drifting.
So fucking sick.
Did it? I'm gonna try to go into it fast, but like I can't see anything while my wipers are complete shit right now. I got a knock reading. I'm scared. Oh no. Is that, oh no. Negative 5.6. I don't know if that's, I mean, that can't be good. Oh no. You know, I'm not gonna lie, this is a lot of fun, but because of that negative 5.6 feedback knock, I'm a little shook right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am a little shook. I broke enough things in this video, and this video has been all over the place, so I think I'm gonna end it right over here. Hopefully it's not blown. If any of you guys know, like, I got negative 5.6 feedback knock, you guys just saw that. If any of you guys know what that means, please let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna do some research on it when I get home, but we're just gonna baby this car home. Thank you guys for making it this far in the video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Oh, please don't be blown up.